Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Jermaine Ravalier. I am a Professor of Organisational Psychology and Social Justice at Bath University, and this is my second video for the SWU 10-year anniversary, and just outlining the work that I'm currently doing with the union. So, as I said before, my research looks at mental health at work, particularly in the public sector, and over the last few years, we've conducted some national surveys with social workers, and we found that social workers have such poor working conditions that it's affecting their physical health and their mental health. But the thing about social work is that despite all of these things, social workers are still so highly engaged in their work, and it's that work with service users that keep them going. However, one thing that has consistently come up across my years of work, and as you may know, I'm not a social worker, I'm completely objective to this. One thing that has come up over the years is the importance of reflective supervision, but also it's become increasingly clear that despite it being so vital to social work practice, there is a lack of, in both amount and in quality, of reflective supervision that so many people receive across the profession. So, as an objective outsider, I kind of started this work on reflective supervision, not really knowing why it was important, but it's become increasingly clear that it's important to not just social work practice and the mental health and well-being of social workers, but also to outcomes for service users as well. So over the last 9 months or so, SWU, myself and a team of academics and students from across the country have been developing an evidence-based best practice approach to reflective supervision. This thing that we develop, I don't know what we're going to call it or what shape it's going to take, but it will be, as I said, best practice, and it will also be co-developed with social workers from across the country. We'll also look at whether reflective supervision affects or is affected by social workers of colour, because there's evidence that social workers of colour are more negatively treated within the social work system, and that's an important thing to consider. So this thing that we develop will be made available as soon as it's ready, hopefully in the next 6 months or so, and you'll be able to find it on the BASRA and SWU websites. So just to finish, congrats again to SWU on their 10 years, and I look forward to continuing to make a difference.